The educational system in Indonesia has undergone significant improvements in recent years. Here are some best practices in education that have been implemented in Indonesia. Number 1, accessible education. The Indonesian government has made effort to improve access to education for all citizens. This includes providing free education up to the junior high school level and implementing programs to reduce divorce rates, especially in rural and disadvantaged areas. Number 2, curriculum reforms. The Indonesian curriculums has been reversed to focus on competency-based learning, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. The curriculum now emphasizes a holistic approach to education, incorporating subjects such as arts, sports, and characters development. 3. Teacher professional developments. The government has prioritized teacher professional development program to enhance quality education. This includes training teacher in modern teaching methods, technology integration, and subject specific knowledge. Continuous professional development program are also encouraged to keep teachers updated with the latest educational practices. 4. Technology integration. The use of technology in education has been promoted to enhance learning outcomes. The government has implemented initiatives to provide school with computers, labs, internet access, and digital learning sources. This has helped bridge the digital divide to improve access to quality educational materials. 5. Exclusive educations. Effort have been made to promote exclusive education for students with disabilities. Special education program as includes classroom have been established to ensure that all students have equal opportunities to learn and succeed. 6. Community engagement. The involvement of parents, communities, and local stakeholders in the education system has been encouraged. This includes establishing schools communities, parent-teacher societies, and communities-based initiative to support and monitor quality of education. Number 7, vocational education and skills training. To address the needs of jobs market, vocational educational training programs have been expanded. These programs provide students with practical skills and knowledge that are relevant to industries, increasing their employability. Number 8, quality insurance. The government has implemented quality insurance mechanism to monitor and evaluate the performance of school and teachers. This includes standard testing, school accreditation, and teacher performance assessment. Ensure that educational standards are met. There are still challenges to overcome the Indonesian educational system. This includes improved infrastructure, reducing regional disparities, and addressing the qualities of education in rural areas. However, this best practices serves as foundation of outgoing movements in the Indonesian educational system.